students, let's discuss the question. In this question, we are given that get the algebraic expression in the following cases using the variables, constants and the arithmetic operations. So basically, here we are given the cases, and according to that cases, we have to write down their algebraic expression. So let's discuss the part 1. In the part 1, we are given that subtraction of z from y, which means we have to subtract z from y. So this expression, basically this case in mathematical form, is written as y minus z, because we have to subtract z from y. So this algebraic expression from here is y minus z. Hence the answer to the first part of this question. Now the second part is 1/2 of sum of the number x and y. So basically what we are going to do is, here we have to find out the sum of x and y. So we can say that the sum of x and y is equals to x plus y, and now we have to find out their 1/2. So 1/2 is equals to 1 divided by the 2 of x plus y. So this is the answer to the second part of this question. Now the third part is the number z multiplied by the itself, which means here we are having a number z and we have to multiply that number with itself. So we have to multiply z with z. So when we multiply z with z, we get the value as z square. So this is the answer to the part 3 of this question. Now let's discuss the part 4. Part 4 is the 1/4 of the product of the number p and q. So basically we have to find out the product of the number p and q. So from here we can say that the product of p and q, product of p and q is p multiplied by the q, and we have to find out its 1/4. So 1/4 of this number is equal to 1 divided by 4 of p multiplied by the q. So this is the answer, or this from here can also be written as pq divided by the 4. So this is the answer to the part 4 of this question. In the part 5th, we are given that the number x and y both squared and added. So basically we are given the two numbers which are x and y. So the square of x is equals to x raised to the power 2, and the square of y is equals to y raised to the power 2, and we have to add the square of both the number. So this from here is equals to x square plus y square. So this is the answer to the part 5th of this question. In the part 6, we are given that the number 5 added to the 3 times of the product of the number m and n. So basically we have to find out the product of m and n. So product of m and n is equals to m multiplied by the n, and we have to find out its 3 times, which means 3 multiplied by the m multiplied by the n, and that is equals to 3 of m n, and we have to add 5 in this. So this from here is equals to 5 plus 3 m n. So this is the answer to the part 6 of the question, that is 5 plus 3 m n. Now let's discuss the next part. In this part we have to find out the product of the number y and z subtracted from 10. So basically we have to subtract the product of yz from the 10th. So we can say that the product of y and z from here is equals to y multiplied by the z, that is equals to yz, and this product is subtracted from the 10. So our expression is 10 minus y multiplied by the z. So this is the answer to the part 7 of this question. The 8th part is the sum of the numbers a and b subtracted from their product. So basically we have to sum the number a and b which is subtracted from the product of the a and b. So from here we can say that the sum of number a and b is written as a plus b, and the product of number is written as a multiplied by the b. So we have to subtract this sum from the product. So this expression from here is equals to a multiplied by the b minus a plus b. So this is the answer to given question. So students, in order to solve this problem, we use the basic concept of algebraic expressions. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.